Hello friends, I am Dattatreya Raut. Welcome in the online biology class. So today I have to deliver the new aspect, that is the known as the multiple alleles, inheritance and variation. So in this multiple alleles is the new concept, new aspects regarding to the inheritance and variations. So in the multiple alleles, what is the multiple alleles? Multiple alleles is the more than two alternative forms of a gene or alleles in a population occupying the same locus or position on the chromosomes or its homologous are called as the multiple alleles. Multiple alleles generally every organism, human beings, plants, animal, which are having the diploid one, two pair of that is known as the two alternative forms of genes, alternative forms of alleles are the present. Just example is you have to see in the Pisum sativum garden pea plants, there is a capital for the height, capital T, capital T. These the two alternative forms of a gene or alleles in a population occupying the same locus. Locus means a location or position on a chromosomes or its homologi are called the multiple alleles. In board examination, definition may be asked, what is mean by the multiple alleles? Why the multiple alleles are arise? These multiple gene or alleles are arise by the mutation. What is mean by the mutation? Mutation is the change in the structure of the genes, change in the function of the genes, change in the structure of genes of the wild type of gene. Multiple alleles are the arise by the mutation of the mutation. Why are the arising? The mutation is arising, there is a presence of the wild type of the genes, and that is known as the change in the structure of the genes is known as the mutation, and mutation is the cause the multiple alleles. So in multiple allele, gene can mutate several times. Gene can mutate several times, not a once time, not a single time. Gene are the multiple. You say that you understand multiple meanings. What is a multiple means? That means multiple stores. You know that's in markets you have to see the boards multi services. That means generally diploid organism which are having the two alternative forms of genes, alleles. Instead of that, there is a more than the two alternative forms of a gene. These are the known as a multiple alleles. So multiple alleles, which is the different alleles in a series. Different alleles in a series shows the dominant and recessive relationship, which shows the dominant and recessive relations. Then it maybe shows the codominance or the incomplete dominance among themselves, which shows the complete dominance or the incomplete dominance among themselves. Individual is with any two alleles of gene, one on each chromosome of the homologous pair. That means a individual is with any two alleles of gene one on each chromosomes of the homologous pair. The wild type dominant over the other mutant alleles. Wild type of the genes are the present which are the cause the multiple mutation, several times a mutation. So wild type of the gene that is a dominant over the other mutant alleles and multiple alleles does not undergo the crossing over. Multiple alleles which does not undergoes the crossing over. So example of the multiple alleles in a Drosophila. So in the Drosophila or Drosophila, in a large number of the multiple alleles are the known. In Drosophila, the observation of the Drosophila, there is a number of multiple alleles are the seen, and is a popular example of the multiple alleles. And the another good example of the multiple allele is the blood group ABO. So in a Drosophila, one of them is the series of wings. Series of wings are the present in the Drosophila, abnormality ranging in size. Wings abnormalities are seen in the size, which are the ranging size from the normal wings to the no wings. Some of the Drosophila which are having the wings, normal wings, some of the Drosophila which are they not having the wings. These are the series of the wings. The normal wings are the dependent on the VG allele. The normal wings is the character of the Drosophila which are the controlled by the VG allele. The extreme expression with no wings, just thumbs, is the result of the one allele's VG in homozygous condition. That means the no wings and the from the normal wings series to the no wings of the Drosophila, there is a normal wings which are the control depending on the VG alleles, the extreme expression with no wings, just terms. What is mean by which are the difficulty to expressing the wings is the result of the one allele VG in homozygous condition, so that a small sum is produced by the gene VG, one of the member of the series. Means a small sum is produced by a gene VG, one of the member of the series, and a narrow strap like wing are produced by the VGST. So notch wings are associated with the allele VG no number and the neck with VG and I. These phenotype are produced from the homozygous genotypes. What means be these phenotypes and are the produced from homozygous genotypes? Their heterozygous combination result in intermediate phenotype, but wild type is the VG plus. Normal wings is a dominant or other member of the series. Now in the different alleles to form the normal wings to the no wings, there is a presence of the multiple alleles, and so this multiple alleles is the associated with the allele VG number and nicked to with VG and I. That means there is a heterozygous combination result in the intermediate phenotype, but wild type is a VG plus. So in the different genotypes, that is the more than the two alternative forms of the genes present on the same locus or position, there is a known as the multiple alleles. So this multiple alleles due to the formation of the various type of the alleles are the present. So in the alleles of this is the normal wings, then nicked wings, notched wings, then another one is the strap wings and vestigial wings. So there are the different phenotypes are the present. Normal wings, these are the character is the controlled by the genotype that is known as the VG plus. Then nicked wings are the present, which is the VGNI. Then notched wings are the genotypes is the VGNO, that is no. Strap wings is the VGST and vestigial wings are the VG. Now we have to observe in the different types of the Drosophila. There is a fifth examples. Now here these are the one is the normal wings. You have to see in these slides. You have to observe the what type of the wing is a normal wings, which is the character is controlled by the VG plus. Nicked wings, these are the VGNI. Then next one is the notched wings, which is the VGNO. VGNO wings are the not present. Notched wings is the wings is the then strap wings, these are the VGST, and then vestigial wings, that is a VG. All the observations under these various series of the wings from the normal wings to the no wings, there is a presence of the two or more alternative forms of the genes that will control the wing characters. Normal wings, then notched wings, no wings, so vestigial wings. These are the due to the presence of the multiple alleles for the expression of the character. Normally in there is another example you have to discuss. ABO blood group is a good example of the multiple alleles. So in the multiple alleles in board examination question may be asked. What type of the question is asked in a board examination? In a board examination, what is the multiple alleles? Explain with the suitable example. Explain with the suitable example, that is the Drosophila. You have to take the Drosophila. Then second example is the ABO blood group, is a good example of multiple alleles. So how to write this? When you have to explain the example of the Drosophila, which is the presence of the series